How to sign up for the NordVPN affiliate program. Hey guys, I've got something special for you. A step-by-step guide on how to sign up for the NordVPN affiliate program. If you're ready to promote one of the best VPN services and earn commissions, you are in the right place. As you can see this interface on my screen, you can easily access it by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click the link, you will land on this page. Then take a moment to explore the information provided on the NordVPN affiliate program page. You will find details about commissions, rates, promotional materials, and more. To start the sign up process, click on Join the program. Before proceeding, it's essential to read and understand NordVPN terms and conditions. Once you have reviewed them, check the box or button to indicate your agreement. Then click on Next. Here provide your first name, last name, your title, email address and password. Then confirm your password. Then click on Next. Here answer some additional questions. Provide your website URL here. Tell them your preferred payment method. Enter your bank account ID or PayPal address. Which products are you going to promote? And in the last, tell them how you intend to promote their products. Then click on Next. The last step is to read their privacy policy. Once you have read and you agree to them, check the boxes. The first box is that you have read and agree to their privacy policy. The second box is that you agree to their terms and condition. And then the third box. Click on Sign Up and your application has been sent to them. Your application will now be reviewed by the NordVPN affiliate program team. This evaluation process may take some time, so be patient. They'll notify you via email once your application is approved. Congratulations, you have successfully submitted your application to become a NordVPN affiliate. Once you receive approval, you can begin promoting NordVPN's outstanding service and earning commissions. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it thumbs up and subscribing for more insightful content. If you have any question or need any further guidance, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in and I'll catch you in the next video.